Hi everyone, I am Lynn, and today I am going to cover a very interesting topic, and that is how to use chatbots to automate your customer bookings for your spa or salon. Have you tried messaging a business only to be greeted with a standard reply that says something like, "Thanks for contacting ABC company. Let us know how we can help you and we will get back to you as soon as possible." And it takes hours before someone responds to you. Think about the customer experience if they do not get an immediate response to their queries. If you are a spa or salon business, there are some standard questions that customers or prospective customers will have. For example, what services do you provide? What are your current promotions? How do I make a booking? What are the available slots for X number of people? And put yourself in your customers or prospective customers' shoes. If you do not get a reply, what would you do? Yes, your regulars could wait for a response, but it could also drive them to contact another spa or salon with an immediate response. The customer experience is key in any spa or salon business, and it is important that there are steps in place to ensure that there are no loss of revenue or business resulting from a delay in responding to your customers. So, how do businesses automate their responses to their customers and get their customers to make a booking right away? The most effective solution that I implemented for my wellness spa business is an effective use of chatbots. I use the word effective here because a chatbot is only as effective as how it is designed to work. Many people think that they have a chatbot, but in fact, what they have is the Facebook Messenger. I have had many discussions with clients, and when I first mentioned chatbot, they immediately tell me that they have had that installed, and it gives their customers a standard response whenever a messenger chat is initiated. But do they really have an effective chatbot in place? And what can an effective chatbot do for your business? Number one, immediate response to your customers' inquiries. A chatbot is designed to respond to your customers or prospective customers' general inquiries, and it can also be designed to bring your customers on a guided conversation and get them to make a booking with you. And you can even design it to collect payments. For example, a deposit for your spa services. This is extremely useful for new customers. One of the most frustrating things for a spa or salon business is to have your bookings filled up and at the end, some customers do not turn up, or what I call a no-show. If you design your chatbot to encourage your customers to make a deposit upon booking, that totally reduces the chances of a no-show. And that is the power of having an effective chatbot in place. Number two, build your customer list. Another very important feature of a chatbot is to build your subscriber list. Once your customers subscribe to your chatbot, they are in your subscriber list. In other words, your customer list. This is key in building your customer list or even a list of prospects who are interested in your services. You can collect email addresses and phone numbers as part of the subscriber list. This is a very powerful marketing tool if you use it effectively to build and grow your business. Number three, continuous communication and marketing to your customers. Once they are in your list, you can communicate your promotions, your contests, new launches, free tips with your subscribers. You will hear people say the money is in the list. This is very true, but only if you are continuously nurturing and marketing to your customers. And the best part of it is you are not paying for advertising and you are marketing to people who are already interested in your services. In summary, an effective chatbot is designed to automate your bookings and grow your business by 1. Giving immediate response to your customers' inquiries. 2. Building your customer list. 3. Having continuous communication and marketing to your customers. If you would like to check out our free resource on how to use chatbots to automate your customer bookings, click on the link below and get immediate access to the ebook. I hope you have derived value from this video and I will see you in the next video.